So according to WHO, obesity is the condition, and how we define it is excessive fat accumulation in adipose tissue to the extent that impairs health. There is adipose tissue is our fatty layer or the third layer of the skin, which consists of fat. So, but when the fat exceeds the normal limits to the extent that the normal functioning of the person is impaired, then they label it as obesity. The prevalence rate of obesity is in United Kingdom, one in every 4 adults they are obese, and one in every 5 children they are obese. So very, very common condition. In America, from 14.5% to 33.9% people, they come under the WHO definition of obesity. It's more common in Black people and in Hispanics. They are more prone to obesity. And then in poor societies, it's also more prevalent. And women are more obese as compared to men. So increased adipose tissue fat deposition is obesity, and it's more common in Black, Hispanics, poor societies, and women as compared to men.